Yo, what are you up to right now?
I am currently DMing with Alex Hormozi right now to set up a pitch meeting, which is absolutely crazy, by the way, because it was just 2 weeks ago that I had this idea, and there's a chance that this might work out. Basically, for context, as soon as I realized that having Alex on the cap table would be huge for us, I knew we had to do something pretty crazy to get his attention because the dude is flooded in inbound DMs all the time. And so 2 weeks ago, we came up with the idea to record a really viral TikTok in order to get his attention. And we decided to actually just record the whole process. So the last 2 weeks of scripting the idea, filming the idea, which was a trial in and of itself, and then even actually posting the video and trying to get his attention, which still I'm kind of shook that it actually worked out. And so my hope is that showing you guys this process is going to inspire you with a bunch of creative ideas of how you can actually get your foot in the door with whoever you want to do business with and actually stand out from the pack. So as of today, I've decided that I want to get Alex Hormozi on our cap table. So for context, my name is Jay Hoovie. I'm the founder of Stand Store. We've scaled over the last 2.5 years from $0 to $30 million in annual recurring revenue, specifically helping any online entrepreneur build their own online storefront. And Alex's mission of giving everyone the education of actually building a great business online, and our tool is kind of like a match made in heaven. And so I really think with Alex's brand, he can help take us from $30 million of ARR to $100 million of ARR plus. But the problem is, Alex probably gets hundreds of DMs a day asking him for investment. And so I've got to figure out some sort of way to actually grab his attention because a DM or an email isn't going to be enough. And that's when I remembered the old Dollar Shave Club launch video, which if you haven't seen is really funny. And I'm thinking maybe we do something actually kind of similar in order to grab his attention.
Are the blades any good? No. Our blades are great. Each razor has...
And so I want to do something just like this, where I'm like, hey Alex, I'm the founder of Stand Store. We're the Shopify for content creators, and we would love, I don't know, what do you say? We would love the opportunity to pitch you on investing in Stan. That's too long-winded. And we would love to pitch you on investing in Stan.
And do you think your razor needs a vibrating handle, a flashlight, a back scratch?
So I guess I've got to figure out how to get to a warehouse or something like this to just walk around. But there's got to be so many funny bits. My brain is already racing with I'll wear a suit and tie like this, and then I'm thinking I rip it off, and then underneath I've got the stereotypical Alex Hormozi tank. I want to get the nose strip and everything. I think there's a lot of funny stuff we can do here, while also weaving into the video why we're actually a good investment. So $30 million recurring revenue, which we've grown from 0 in 2.5 years, running profitably, going to build $1 billion business. So I'm excited about doing this, and I guess I need to start scripting. All right, so I just finished scripting, and I ended up ordering a couple of things for the video that I thought would be really funny to get in, and they just got here. Both of his books, and just because I'm an overachiever, 2 more copies of his books, and last but not least, I'm gonna put on the first tank top of my life. And as the final touch, I'm gonna put one of these on. All right, so now that I've got all of this, I'm gonna go find my producer, Austin, and pitch him this script. So setting the scene, basically, I'm gonna start with a suit and tie, and I'm gonna rip it off. I'm literally gonna rip it, and then underneath is gonna be this tank.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna grab this too from out of nowhere, put it on.
Just a hand
and then,
comes in and
yes. Yeah. Oh, that would be sick. That would be sick. Yeah. Give it hand and then I'm gonna throw this on.
Yep.
At the same time, I'm gonna be and so we're Stan and we're looking for your investment.
Yep. Okay.
And so then, in order to talk about the product, I want to walk out of the door just in Dollar Shave Club where he hits the banner.
Tissue paper. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. And he's with just the click of a button, you can set up an entire digital storefront.
I love. We should do the the easy button.
Yeah.
What I was thinking is we throw one in it. You catch that with just the click of a button. Click the big old button.
Yeah.
And then I think we have a banner of an actual Stand Store. We can make one of Alex.
Oh yeah.
It's
okay, that's
with
really
the click of a button, boom. It rolls down next to you. You can have your own store to sell your digital products.
Yeah, it's I love that. So oh, that's so good. Yeah. So I snap it and then
yeah, that's sweet.
That's sick. That reminds me of the Staples ads back in the day.
Yeah.
And then it's okay, so scene change, different room, but why invest in us?
Mm-hmm.
And then this is basically where we need to make the financial pitch. So it's over the last few years, we've grown Stan from 0 to $30 million in annual recurring revenue, and then that's the moment where I think you pull in a whiteboard at the same time while I'm talking, and it's like I'm pulling it and I'm like, over the last 3 years, over the last 2 years, I've grown Stan from $0 to $30 million in annual recurring revenue.
Right, and we like show the stats.
Exactly.
Like, okay,
all the stats, all the numbers. And then I think the funny part was because he has a profit threshold too.
Right.
And there's this like little like a cheap relay race thing.
Yeah.
And it says and the line is, and we're over $10 million in EBITDA. And so we'll do like a little like flag that says $10 million, and I'm just gonna step over it like a little dainty step.
Yeah. It's like we like maybe go down and like show something not on that.
Exactly.
Cool.
And so one of his other values is that he only invests in founder-led companies.
Right.
And so for us, we should be like, and the key part of our business is that we're founder-led by a creator themselves.
Yeah. Okay,
right?
cool.
And then I was thinking it'd be funny, because we probably can't get our customers there in the warehouse.
Yeah.
We can just do I'll ask our creators if we can just make big cardboard cutouts of them, and I can walk by them and they'll be like cheesy thumbs up or whatever.
Yeah.
And then it's like a note, like, Alex, invest in Stan.
Like a speech bubble.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
and I'll like walk by a hallway of them.
That's great.
Which would be really funny.
I feel like it'd be funny. You like stop, like as you say, like talk about our customers. Like, I mean, just look how happy they are.
Yeah, just look how happy.
Yeah.
I didn't pay them well to say this. And then so the number, because he's a big numbers guy. Then you go. And the best part is we just made $100 million made for creators on Stan.
Yeah.
And then the last part is selling him on why him for our business, right? And this is kind of an emotional appeal where it's like, we've learned a ton from you, Alex, and we have so much respect for the way you've built your business and also your dream and your mission of helping anyone pursue building their own business.
Yeah.
Like that is our mission here at Stan.
Yeah.
And the way that you can unlock like our business here at Stan by investing is in the same way you've helped build school into this platform that's down doing tens of millions of revenue.
Yeah.
Like you can help take us from 30 million recurring revenue to $100 million plus recurring revenue, build this $1 billion outcome. We'd love to make you that money.
Yeah.
So
I feel like because that's more, we go more serious at that part, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like then we need to end with like I don't know, something crazy,
so
right?
what would it be? We at some random point, we could have Lo walk in with a mascot.
she just joins you at the end. Are we gonna do like a call to action at the end? It's like so Alex. That feels cheesy, but like
so Alex, we just need an hour of your time. Like we'd love to pitch you Shark Tank style.
Yeah, that's good.
Like
This is too aggressive. I was like, we'd love an hour of your time, or the mascot gets it.
That's really good. All right, so what's next is we gotta locate a warehouse so we can shoot this in.
Yep.
We gotta get all the scenery, all the cutouts.
A lot of props.
A lot of props.
Confetti.
We got one prop.
Yeah, we got the clothes.
I'm gonna have to work out a ton in the next 2 weeks.
You need to
I'm gonna do a
double.
lot of bicep curls and a lot of creatine.
Yeah.
And then we shoot this and we're good to go.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so it's 7 in the morning on a Saturday. I'm here with Lo and Austin. We are setting up for filming. I'm going to walk you guys through what we have planned because I think it's going to be really, really funny. But it all starts actually with a scene right here in this hallway where I've got this acquisition.com tank top. Like this is the OG Alex Hormozi tank top. And basically I'm going to have this on, but when the scene opens, you're not going to see that. Instead, you're going to see this shirt here that looks like a normal shirt and tie. But what Austin did is he made the whole thing terrible. So I'm literally gonna put this shirt on and then I'm gonna rip it off. And so that's gonna be the open where I'm gonna be like, hey Alex, I'm John and I'm the founder of Stan. I'm gonna take an acquisition.com hat, put it on, then grab a nose strip from Lo. Like Lo's gonna hand me a nose strip from the side. I'm gonna put that on and then we're gonna jump right into the video, into the first scene here, which is, let me run over here to show you guys, which is right here. And if you can see here, we put up some purple tissue paper that I'm just gonna like ram my way through as I describe like what Stan actually is. And we have it on this really cool little whiteboard here. Here, Austin, do you wanna help me show folks? All right, Austin, the grand reveal. Oof, Alex Hormozi's Stan store that we're pitching him. And boom, Alex Hormozi's Stan store link in the Instagram profile is basically what we're pitching him on. And then we cut to this next scene, which I think is gonna be really, really funny because I'm gonna be in this chair and, oh, that's heavy. And I'm gonna have a dumbbell in the tank top, basically like, and this is what you should invest in, Stan. And I get up, whoop, and I walk through our revenue numbers, like why Alex should actually invest in Stan. And then we have a really funny bit that you'll see in just a second that we'll record that I just stepped over. And then we have actually a cameo from our customers, some of our top customers, who are gonna help us convince Alex to invest in Stan. And then the last scene, we are here at this table. Many of y'all will recognize Alex's book here, but we have a heartfelt message to Alex as to why he should invest in Stan, all the impact he can make if he works with us. And so I think we're ready to film, and we'll see how it goes.
All right, let's see the fit.
All right, how do I look? I'm not gonna lie. I told you guys earlier, but I actually don't think I've ever worn a tank top in my, like a muscle tank, literally in my entire life. So here we go. And now we need to put this baby on. Professional in the front, party in the back. All right.
Looking good.
Hey, I think we're ready for a take. All right. Woo! Let's go. Oh, you know what we haven't done? We need to hype. Sorry for context, guys. We always have a pre-filming routine, which is we play one specific Taylor Swift song, which I don't even think we can play or mention because of copyright. So we'll jam out to it real quick.
And you'll hear copyright-free music while we listen to the real song.
Hey Alex, I'm John, and I'm the founder of Stan Store. And over the last 3 years, we've helped creators and online entrepreneurs make over $100 million.
Okay, the shirt rip was good though. The shirt rip was good. Yeah. We got the motion down. We just gotta nail the line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
That was
cool.
good. That's a good start. That's a
All
good
right.
start.
Hey Alex, I'm John, and I'm the founder of Stan Store.
Oh no! Too tough. Oh no!
All right, we just did the final. Low shot money everywhere.
Woo!
That's a wrap.
Yeah!
All right, we just packed everything up, fully wrapped. Team did incredible. Thank you. Shout out Lo and Austin.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get this edited, and I'm feeling pretty good about it, so we'll see how it looks. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. All right, so it's now a couple days later, and I have here the final edited version of what we filmed the other day. And I'm admittedly feeling a little bit nervous right now because I just feel like I'm not really in touch anymore with short form content. Like I haven't posted a video on TikTok in over a year. So I'm just like overthinking. I just feel kind of like a boomer where I'm like overthinking everything, where I'm like, is the video length right? Like it's just over a minute, but is that too long now for the TikTok algo versus the Instagram algo? And I just like don't feel super in touch with short form content right now, like knowing exactly what's going to hit in the way that I used to when I was making short form all the time. And so I figured let's watch this here. I think it's funny, but like now I'm like overthinking it and I'm like, maybe this is super cheesy and just really lame, but no matter what, we should watch this. And then we've got to figure out a really hooky caption up front, like the text up front in that initial frame to actually catch Alex's attention and hopefully as well, like everyone else's attention so that they can actually tag Alex on this and hopefully get him to see this and hopefully invest in my startup. So let's watch this. Hey Alex, I'm John and I'm the founder of Stan Store. And over the last 3 years, we've helped make over $100 million for creators and online entrepreneurs. But how exactly have we done that? Well, with Stan, with just the click of a button, you can set up an entire online storefront to sell any product that you want. Whether that be your courses, your community, or you can even build your email lists. All directly from your link in bio. But why invest in us? Well, over the last 3 years, we've scaled from 0 to $30 million in annual recurring revenue, all by helping creators make a living working for themselves. Also, we're over your threshold of $10 million in EBITDA, and the best part of the business is that we are proudly made for creators by creators. I mean, just look how happy our customers are. So Alex, let me level with you. We've learned a ton from your content, and we have huge respect for the millions of entrepreneurs you've helped. And we think you could be the key unlock to help us grow from 30 million revenue to 100 million plus. And so if you'd be down to chat sometime, I'd love to walk you through why we believe we're gonna be the next billion-dollar company, help millions of entrepreneurs pursue their dreams, and generate you a huge return. Not bad. So now we got to figure out what text we want to do in the beginning to just get it to hook. I have two different ideas. I'm trying to decide which one's hookier. There's either one that's my pitch to get Alex Hormozi to invest in my company, which is a little long-winded. So like imagine that TikTok text. Is that going to stop the scroll? Is the best way to think about it? Or watch this if you're Alex Hormozi. And I wonder if like that's too meta. So that's kind of the hot take. So I'm going to see what both of them look like and then we can decide. That's hard. I want it. My gut says my pitch to get Alex Hormozi to invest in my startup.
million.
But it's so long. Is there any way you can shorten my pitch to get Alex Hormozi to invest in my startup to something else? Pitching Alex Hormozi to invest in my startup? I think that's about as good as I can get. All right, TikTok gods. Post. I pressed it. Oh my God, I hit it. Ah! I don't know, dude, guys. It's pretty good. Like the nose thing into the store. I mean, yeah, that's as good as you get, dude. We'll see if I have any TikTok relevance anymore. Let's see how many views it has so far. 2 views. 2 views. Let's go, dude. All right, let's go on Instagram in the meantime. All right, here we go. Posting on Instagram. Share. Woo! Oh my God, I'm so nervous. All right, I guess we'll let these videos cook and we'll see how things go. All right, it is 9 o'clock at night, the night of, and guess who f***ing responded? Let's f***ing go! All right, let me show you guys what Alex said. What's up, man? Saw your video, good ad. Let's f***ing go! Oh my God, this is the best feeling. And also, I just want to say thank you so much to all of you. Like, from the bottom of my heart, the outpouring of love and support for this video. Like, I'll throw up the comments here. Like, y'all, I feel so blessed. I feel like so many people are in my corner and Stan's corner, and I feel so blessed. Like, to have all of you guys support me. Like, the reason why Alex actually saw the video is because so many people are like, holy shit, let me send him a text. And everyone started tagging him, like, like all of our customers showed out. Like, it was the best feeling to see. Like, let me read you guys some of the comments. It's amazing. And then, by the way, I don't even know what to say back to Alex. Like, what's up, man? Saw your video, good at. Like, what do I say now? Hey, like, do you want to invest? Like, I don't know what to say. So anyways, we got to play that cool. But let me read you guys some of my favorite comments because this is just amazing. This is the best and boldest pitch I've ever seen. Stan and Score, by far the best partnership. Easy printer. Stan plus at Hormozi would be the collab of a lifetime OMG. At Hormozi, can't ignore the mascot making it rain. Oh, okay, this is so nice. So Dr. Rosie says, absolute rockstar founder and team. I love at Stanford Creators and everything you stand for. 2 absolute legends, at Jhoovy plus at Hormozi. Where's the podcast episode? Like, thank you guys. Like, this is just the nicest thing. Like, it's just like, this is exactly why I love Stan. Like, our customers, I'm literally gonna cry. I just feel so grateful. Like, no matter where this goes, and you know, I really hope this goes to like Alex investing and us getting to work together, because I think we could help a ton more people. Like, he's just like this incredible creator, incredible distribution channel. But yeah, I'm just really grateful. I didn't mean to tear up, but like, man, it's just like, you feel so lonely doing this, you know? Like, I was so scared to actually post that. You guys saw the nerves. I was like overthinking everything, and you work so fucking hard for so long, and shit like this happens, man. It feels fucking good. So now we gotta figure out what to say. So I'm gonna sleep on it probably, and then text them back later. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Love you very much. Bye. What's the update? It's the next morning, and I am checking my DMs. I have 4 DMs. I think one of them is from him. Never mind. He didn't respond. He's active now. He saw the message. I said, thank you, sir. The effort we put into it hopefully speaks for how much we appreciate you. Would love to come by Vegas and share our story and pitch you the vision. And then I added a little tidbit just so he knows that I'm in the know. I said, catching up with Sam Evans, who's the co-founder of his in school, later this weekend. Think there's a lot I can share to help you guys think through growth plus retention. So we'll see if he responds. I just have DMs from a bunch of random people. Damn it. It's super funny because just a couple of days ago I was with Austin and we were laughing about how I was basically a simp, like waiting for Hormozi to respond back to me. I like kept checking my DMs like as he responded back all day. I felt like such a simp, and I was like, oh, he was active 2 hours ago. He saw my message. Like, is he actually gonna respond? But then he was really, really cool about it. He was like, let's have a Zoom combo. Can you email my team to set up a time? And we've got the time on the board now. And so in terms of next steps here, I'm gonna do my homework and make sure that I understand all of the metrics that Alex really cares about in terms of businesses that he invests in. And so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the journey. And hopefully, knock on wood, the next time I see you will actually be with Alex.